There are 10 very common style mistakes that stylists see every single day, and the women making them are completely unaware they are aging themselves by years. Mistake 1: ill-fitting jeans, wrong length, and wrong shoe pairing. Let's start with something sitting in almost every wardrobe right now: jeans. Specifically, jeans that do not fit the way they should. And this is not about size. It is about length, shape, and what you pair them with. Jeans that are too short create an awkward break on the leg that draws the eye down and makes the entire silhouette look heavy and dated. The look closes off completely, just a shape that works against you. A well-fitted jean that grazes the floor or sits perfectly at the ankle, paired with a pointed shoe or a sleek leather loafer, instantly lengthens the leg and brings an effortless sophistication to the entire outfit. Mistake 2: wearing everything too tight, ignoring body balance. The next mistake is one that stylists see constantly, and it comes from the best intention: wanting to show off the slimmest parts of the body. But when everything is tight from top to bottom, the outfit loses all balance and elegance. A fitted jacket paired with equally fitted trousers creates a silhouette that feels stiff and unflattering, regardless of your shape. The secret that stylists swear by is balance. If the top is structured and fitted, the bottom should be wider and more fluid. Think a tailored blazer with a beautifully draped wide-leg trouser. That contrast is what creates shape, sophistication, and that effortless, polished look that never ages you. Mistake 3: picking the wrong bag for the outfit. Now let's talk about something that is often the last thought when putting an outfit together: the bag. And yet it is one of the most powerful finishing touches in any stylist toolkit. Pairing a beautifully put together outfit with a casual backpack or a worn out everyday tote immediately undermines everything else you are wearing. It sends a mixed message. The outfit says elegant. The bag says afterthought. Stylists always say that a bag should feel like a natural extension of your outfit, not in addition to it. A structured leather handbag, a refined suede tote, or an elegant crossbody in a complementary tone will quietly elevate every single element of your look without saying a word. Mistake 4: wearing a blouse as a layering piece instead of a plain base layer. This next one surprises a lot of women, because for years we were told that a blouse automatically elevates an outfit. And while a blouse on its own can be beautiful, using it as a layering piece underneath a jacket or a cardigan is one of the quickest ways to make an outfit look fussy and dated. The collar competes. The fabric bunches. The overall effect feels heavy and old-fashioned. What stylists recommend instead is a clean, simple base layer, a fitted white t-shirt or a fine knit in a neutral tone. Something that disappears beautifully underneath your outer layer and lets the rest of the outfit breathe. Simple, refined, and effortlessly modern. Mistake 5: not accessorizing, or using jewelry that is too fine and delicate. Accessories are where so many elegant outfits either come alive or fall completely flat. And the most common mistake is not avoiding jewelry altogether, but choosing pieces that are simply too delicate to make any impact. A fine chain necklace against a rich fabric disappears entirely. It adds nothing to the outfit and nothing to your presence. Stylists consistently recommend choosing one intentional, well-placed piece that anchors the entire look. A single, bold necklace, a refined cuff, or a pair of elegant drop earrings. Something that catches the light and draws the eye. Accessories should feel like a deliberate choice, not an afterthought. That one piece of jewelry can transform an ordinary outfit into something truly refined. Mistake 6: styling cardigans incorrectly. Including waterfall cardigans, cardigans are one of the most versatile pieces in any wardrobe. But they are also one of the easiest pieces to get wrong. The biggest culprit is the waterfall cardigan. Long, thin fabric, a draped open collar, and a silhouette that adds volume in all the wrong places. It was everywhere a decade ago, and it still lingers in many wardrobes today. A modern cardigan should have structure, weight, and intention. Think a beautifully fitted knit in a cashmere blend, worn slightly open at the neckline with a clean base layer underneath. Styled this way, a cardigan becomes one of the most elegant and timeless pieces you can wear. The fabric and the fit are everything. Mistake 7. Failing to update your wardrobe regularly. This is perhaps the most honest mistake on this list. Holding on to pieces simply because they are comfortable or familiar, every wardrobe has them. Trousers in a thin, dated fabric. Jackets from a decade ago that no longer reflect who you are today. Comfort is important, but comfort and elegance are not mutually exclusive. Modern wardrobe updates do not require a complete overhaul or a large budget. It simply requires a fresh and honest eye. Replacing one or two dated pieces each season with something that reflects a more current silhouette is enough to shift your entire look forward. Mistake 8. Wearing outdated or overly modest necklines. Instead of modern ones, necklines are one of the most underestimated style tools available to us. And yet so many women default to the same high, closed neckline year after year without realizing how much it can age an overall look. A neckline that sits too high can shorten the neck, flatten the face, and make even the most beautiful outfit feel heavy and dated. Stylists consistently recommend opening up the neckline. An elegant V-neck, a refined scoop, or even a simple open collar instantly lifts the face, elongates the neck, and brings a quiet confidence to the entire look. It is one of the smallest changes you can make with one of the largest impacts on how polished and modern you appear. Mistake 9. Sticking to all black or overly safe, flat color outfits instead of tonal dressing. Playing it safe with color is something many women fall into over time. And while black is undeniably elegant, wearing it from head to toe every single day can actually flatten your appearance and make an outfit feel heavy rather than sophisticated. Tonal dressing is the approach that stylists are consistently recommending right now. It is the art of layering different shades of the same color family together. Soft camel with warm ivory, dusty rose with a deeper blush, rich chocolate with warm tan. It adds dimension without effort and brings a quiet luxury to even the simplest of outfits. Mistake 10. Neglecting personal details like glasses, hairstyle, and chin hair. And finally, the most personal mistake on this list. The small details that surround your outfit but are never considered part of it. An outdated pair of glasses can quietly date an entire look regardless of how elegantly you are dressed. A hairstyle that has not evolved in years can add a decade to your appearance without you ever realizing it. And the small grooming details, the ones we often overlook, matter more than we think. Stylists always say that true elegance is not just about what you wear. It is about the complete picture you present to the world. When every detail is considered and intentional, the result is a woman who looks polished, timeless, and effortlessly refined. Style is never about age. It is about intention. The women who look most elegant are not the ones wearing the most. They are the ones paying attention to the details that most people never even notice.